Hello friends, this is Savan Kumar, and in today's session of Money, Business and Finance, we continue talking about solopreneurs. And like I have always emphasized on one particular aspect of anybody's life, that one particular single aspect is time. You as a solopreneur or you as a small business owner have to give the most importance to time. Forget about money, forget about everything else, and only be focused about saving time, utilizing time, doing all that you can in a given amount of time. You have to figure that out as a small business owner or as a solopreneur, because this is what is either going to build you or this is something that will spoil you, that will make you broke, that will make you fail, that will make you lose, that will destroy you if you do not give importance to this particular aspect, and that is time. Because that is what a business is. A business is a business only if its ability to make huge profits or huge revenues in the smallest amount of time. If it does not do that, it loses, it fails, and that is how more than 80% of the small businesses have. This is what happens with them. More than 80% of the businesses fail in their first 5 years because they are not able to keep up with this time and revenue thing. So if you have 12 months in with yourself, you have to make maximum revenue that you can make in those 12 months, or in 1 month, or in a week. You do not have an indefinite period of time to do anything, because you have your competitors, you have your team members, you have your employees, you have your team, you have your creditors, you have your debtors, you have everybody coming on top of you, and the only thing that you need to take care of is time. If you are not paying the debts to your creditors in time, if you are not paying your salaries in time, if you are not giving the services to the customers in time, you are losing on everything. So this one element, this one thing I would say that you need to give the most importance is time. So forget about everything. Keep this 4-letter word in front of you always. Time. It is ticking, it will keep ticking, and you have got the same amount of time that Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk or Warren Buffett or Bill Gates have got. They did the same what you do. They have got the same time what you have, but they didn't do the same thing that you did. They definitely did something different, in a different way, in a more productive way, that they reached where they reached today, and you are where you are today. But you can also reach where they are today only if you give that kind of an importance to time. If you can make time that expensive for yourself. I have always calculated my time or my ability to do things, move faster, by how expensive I have made my time. If my time is worth $200 an hour, I would only be able to do those kind of things. So like I was traveling using a train. I used to travel by a train because at that time my time was not that expensive. I thought it's better to save 10,000 rupees than going on a flight or taking a flight, because taking a flight saves you time but increases your cost. So at that time my time was not that expensive that I preferred taking a train. But today when I think should I take a train or should I take a flight, I choose a flight, because now I know that for the lost time I would be able to make more money if I work at that same time. So now I take a flight. Now if I further increase my value of time, my hourly revenue, so now let's say if I start making $5,000 an hour or $50,000 an hour, I would definitely not want to wait or spend hours using a commercial flight. I might want to use a chartered flight. If I further increase my value, I would now want to go private. So this is how it starts, from a motorcycle to a car to a train and then to a flight, commercial flight, chartered flight, private jets. So this is how it increases. The more you increase the value of your time, the more valuable you become. The more valuable you become, or the more valuable your business becomes. So figure that out, how more you can deliver in the same amount of time. how much more you can deliver in the same amount of time. If you have been charging your customers $200 an hour, figure out what is that one thing that you could do that increases your hourly rate from $200 to $500 an hour. What is that one thing that could increase your value from $500 an hour to $1,000 an hour? You need to think in that ways. You need to figure that out always. You need to keep working on that always. If you don't do that, you do not grow. You do not grow. You need to focus on time building, time saving, time making, create more time for yourself, and do all of these things about time. But you cannot ignore time. You cannot choose to ignore time. This was my message for the solopreneurs and small business owners. I hope this makes sense to you. And if you have any questions, any queries on this series of the videos that I am delivering to you, feel free to ask me, and I will be making sure to answer all of these questions in the next videos that I will be coming up with. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.